doing good. Hello, welcome to Numbers Copy. Today we're gonna learn two more
Pokemon cards.
Welcome to Pokemon Card. Bye.
Huh? What? What?
I love the good.
But today we're going to show
We had Pokemon cards.
so-
We're starting with there. We had Pokemon cards. Starting with Zeraora, and I call it Weirwood. Yeah. So that's peace. Well, the weaknesses is the peace. Makes sense, right?
Freaking job.
Blaziken. We had Blaziken. Now we have yeah, that's quite cool, Kari. Okay, we had Blaziken. Wildfire. It's a wildfire. Okay, we had high jump kick. What is it? Oh! Then we had fire spin. Tula de Tula. It's burning.
Tula.
Next
It's burning like a butt.
is
If you don't,
Umbreon.
Tapu Lele. Hey, why do you say that?
I got a mimic on my face.
Tapu Lele. What else? This one?
Okay, we had Umbreon, Mingluk, 30. Moonlight Blade. Moonlight Sunrise. Okay, so we have Moonlight Blade, 80 plus. Now we have this Weird Zerk. Now we have this Weird Zerk, which is the weakest that we had in this episode. It's all beaten by Umbreon.
Yeah, that's definitely.
And we had Mega Punch from Golurk and Rewind Beam from Golurk. Ooh la la. Now we're waiting for this the whole time. This is super rare and it's super strong. Here we come. Rayquaza D-Max. You ready to class? High five, please.
Can I see?
Oh,
Dynamax, you. B-Max? Oh, B-Max, Dynamax.
okay. So we had the Dynamax. This is super rare. I got it. Okay, bye. So
What?
So forgot about saying we're at episode 2 is gonna be longer. What? I'm sorry, pea shooter. Ew!
Yo, pea shooter, kiss Goldie. No, I'm just gonna shoot it.
Ah!
Oh yeah.
Like and subscribe, or this video will hit your face.
No, pea shooter will on.
Oh!
If you don't subscribe, of course.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Everyone, same time. Bye.
Bye.